Our little boy has learned to crawl.
Come get it. Brendan.
He's like, I'm pleased right here. Hey, Brendan, look.
The lights don't work.
He's like, I'm not convinced that that's... There we go. Look at that kid. Nice, bud. Good crawling. And sitting up. Such a big boy now.
Brendan. Hey. Hi.
Is he, mommy? Hey, Brendan. Give us a smile. Whoa.
No.
No.